Hello, welcome to my trading channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to use Bollinger Band to successfully trade 1 minute candle in binary options. So before we begin, if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I'll gladly answer you, and also give this video a thumbs up. Let's go. So first of all, we'll be changing the chart type to candles. Then we'll change the candle time to 1 minute. Then we'll go to indicators. We'll type Bollinger Band. We'll change this to 20. Then you apply. You zoom out and you zoom in. So I'll be explaining to you how this strategy works. So how this strategy works is when you see a trend like this from up, a bearish trend like this from up, then immediately you see a first bullish candle, then you put your trend line. You put your trend line there. Then you wait for this bullish candle to retrace back and break this trend line. Then you start selling. So at this bullish candle, the bullish candle went up. So the bearish candle retraced back and broke this with this first candle. You sell here. You sell. And one thing you need to know is, after selling twice, like a break, like what happened here, after selling here and selling here, you don't sell again more than 2 times, or you keep selling till you lose. It's either you stop selling after 2 candles, or you keep selling till you lose a trade, then you stop selling. You won. So how to detect again with this strategy, how to trade with this strategy? When you see a movement like this, a movement after a trend, a bullish candle, you don't buy here because this is not yet a retracement candle. So you wait for a movement to happen before then the retracement, then you start buying. So when this happens like this, I usually, how to detect this, you wait for, like, after a bullish candle like this, so you wait for up to 3 to 4 bearish candles before buying or selling. So this here is only 2 bearish candles. So you wait, you see a bullish candle here, you wait for another bearish candle, or you wait to see if the bullish candle will keep going up. Then you see another bearish candle, then you draw your trend line, you put it here. Because now you have already seen a bearish candle, another bearish candle, 3 bearish candles. So at the break of this trend line, you buy. If you lose here, you stop buying, or you stop buying at this second candle here. So you wait for a movement again to happen. You see a bearish candle, you take your trend line, you put it here. Then you see a movement, there's no break up here. Then you see a bearish candle again, you see a break here, you buy. If you lose here, you buy again. You buy till you lose, then you stop buying. After losing a trade, you stop buying. You see the movement here, then you wait for a retracement. You see the retracement here, then you take your trend line. You put it up here. You don't put it here because this is not a retracement candle. If you put it here, you have a bullish candle and the trend will keep going up, just like what happened here. See what happened here. So you wait for like 3 to 4 candles before you start buying again. Then at the break of this, you buy. See, when you lose there, you stop, or you stop buying after 2 candles. After winning 2 trades, you stop buying. So you wait for a retracement again. When you see a bearish candle like this again, you take your trend line, you put it up here. You put your trend line there, up here at the tip. Yeah. Then you wait for a break. You either put it here or put it here. You put it here, it's okay. Then you wait for a break. See no break. Then what this is telling you that? It's telling you that a bearish trend is about to happen and the bullish trend is over and the bears are about to take momentum. So when you see something like this, you wait for a break up. There's no break here. You can either sell short here. You can either go you sell here, sell here, you sell here, or you wait for the trend to happen. So you wait for the trend to happen, a break up, or a bearish movement to start up. So when you see the bearish candles start making move like this, then you wait to see a retracement. Then when you see a bullish candle, you put your trend line here. So when the bullish candle retrace, then the bearish candle break this line, you start selling. Then you see two bearish candles again, bullish candles again. Then you take your trend line to either put it here or you leave it here. So at the break of this trend line here, you start selling, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell, you sell. When you sell, you lose here, you can sell again and sell and sell and sell till you lose. So that's how to trade with this strategy. When a movement again, you see a movement like this, then after a movement like this, you wait to start seeing bullish candles. Then you see a bearish candle like this, you put your trend line here. So you wait for either these candles to retrace down here and move back up and break this, or you see if this bullish movement is a retracement and you wait here to see if this bearish candle will break again and continue, that you continue selling. So now what is happening here? When you see something like this, you put your, after the retracement of bearish candles like this, you wait, you see a bullish candle, you see a bearish candle again, then you put your trend line here. Then at the break of these candles here, you start buying. So after a movement like this, you draw your trend line here, up here. Then retracement, you see another bullish movement, draw your trend, put your trend line, you move your trend line here. So at the break of this trend line, you start buying. So I'm going to be showing you how to buy. When this candle ends, I'll show you how to buy this strategy, and I'll also show you trades to take and trades not to take with this strategy. So we are going to be buying here. We buy here. So after the break of this bullish candle, you buy here immediately. You buy here. Immediately you buy here. So this is how to trade with this strategy. You can see it works. You can just keep buying and buying and buying till you lose, then you stop buying. So I'll show you where not to trade and trade not to take. So where not to trade, trades to avoid with this strategy. Anytime you see a sideways movement like this, you avoid the trade. Then anytime you see movement that are not clear, you avoid, you just wait for a clearer movement to come, then you start buying or you start selling. Anytime you see a movement like this, avoid taking a trade there. Don't buy and don't sell it. So, and also when you see a movement like this, then just one candle here, just a candle like this. After a bullish movement like this, then you see a retracement of just one bearish candle. You don't consider this as a retracement. You wait for a movement of 3 bearish candles or 3 bullish candles before you consider it as a retracement. Then you can put your trend line here. You draw your trend line. your horizontal line, put it here. Then at the break, you start buying, you start buying, you start buying. So this is how to trade this strategy. This is a very, very strong strategy and a very profitable strategy. So thanks for watching. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below, and also give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.